Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azri Izzuddin Supian from Group 7. We'll continue the presentation about work measurement and quality management for Kenny Roger roster. Step involved in the preparation of product. So for Kenny Roger roster, I divide into two types of preparation, which is the first one, pre-preparation, and the second one, preparation. I think these two types of preparation is very different. For pre-preparation, Kenny Roger roster have 6 pre-preparation, which is first, blanching. What is the blanching? Blanching is the removing skin by putting food, especially chickens and vegetables, in boiling water than in cool water. Second, washing. Third, cutting. Fourth, mashing. Mashing is a process that breaking a soft food into a paste. Grinding, process breaking food into powder or paste. And the last one, mixing, putting different food together depending on the type of the menu. For mashing and grinding, depending on the type of food that customer order. For preparation of Kenny Roger roster, we have 4 types of cooking method, which is moist heat, dry heat with fat, and microwave. All these cooking method depending on the type of the customer order. For example, if the customer order Kenny half meal, chef must cook the chicken with dry heat method, which is roasted chicken. Every cooking method have their own menu. For cycle time involved, for placing order to serving, I divide into 3 elements, which is taking order time, preparing time, and the last one, delivering or serving time. We look here, taking order, they take 81 seconds. For preparing, 123.20 seconds, and delivering or serving time, 5 seconds. Process chart used for Kenny Rogers roasters food. First, placing order. After that, chef or kitchen staff check the raw materials and choose the cooking method, which is moist heat, dry heat, with fat, or microwave. Then food plating. I think food plating is important because it's first impression for customer before they enjoy the meals. And the last one, serving. After customer enjoy their meals, if the customer give feedback, either positive or negative feedback, Kenny Roger roster staff must take action, especially negative feedback. Quality control tool use. I use this type of chart. So the main is problem or goal that Kenny Roger roster targeted, or problem that they must solve. So I divide 4 elements. The first one, worker. Second, machine. Third, cooking method. And fourth, raw material. Every types of element have their sub-element. For example, worker, they have shifting and salary. Machine have storage and handling. Cooking method have recipe and promotion. Raw material have dirty tools and freshness ingredient. So if the Kenny roster have problem at machine, they must solve either storage or handling. for worker, either shifting or salary. Conclusion: Kenny Roger Roaster is a Malaysian restaurant franchise owned and operated by the business. In order to provide customers with wonderful products and excellent service, Kenny Roger Roaster employs quality methodologies and procedure, which is hazard analysis, critical control point. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.